channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll tell you how to create Google form for the students for a quiz test, and then it published to their mail account or their WhatsApp group. How to create this? First, all of you click this Google Apps icon. Then here you can find, go to the forms. Okay, so here I will be click the form. Then after click the form, you can find several types of icons are there. So here first I will be click the blank form. Okay, when after click the blank form, this will be created. So here on title is written. So here suppose I will written, suppose DBMS lab, okay, sessional quiz test, okay, this is the sessional. So form description, suppose I have written form description, anything you can write. Suppose this is lab test for multiple choice question, each carry 1 mark. Okay, so this is the my description. Then here what will do, first click here. Okay, suppose first thing I want to asking to enter their name. So here I will write enter your name, to ask the student enter your name. Okay, then here I will type the short answer. This is the short answer. Okay, that means here will be student will be enter their name. Then plus means again added same things. So here it is also again, then here I will enter your role. Okay, then here answer will be what? Short answer. So here asking roll number should be number type. So it is by default number is written. Okay, then after I will be add the questions. Okay, suppose this is the question I will be added. So question number 1. Suppose here I will written what is C. Okay, my question is what is C. So multiple choice I have added. So one option is there. So I want to multiple options. So repeatedly I will click here. Suppose 3 questions I will be add here. Okay, so here will again give the another. So 3 questions right. So first is suppose programming language. Okay, programming language. Second is the procedural language. So third is so anything I will write. Suppose package is a package. Okay, then these things I have written. Okay, so these things I have written. So I think it is a procedural language. So this is a procedural language, and this is a procedural language. Okay, then second question also I will add. Suppose this is clear. Suppose second is what? Suppose what is size of int? What is size of int? Okay, so here I will write so what? 2 bytes. Okay, so again add. Suppose here I write the, okay, suppose 4 bytes. Again suppose add. Suppose this is the 6 byte. Okay, these things I have written. So I do not add more because it is time taking. So then I will be click the response. Here I will be give the response. Response is not anywhere given. So here I will create the preview. Okay, then these things you can see your name and roll number will be asking, and these 2 questions will be added. So here others will be added. I will be delete this. Okay, how to delete this? It will be click the cross, then it will delete it. So again I will be give the check the preview and see whether it is display or not. So yes, this will be display. Okay, so one thing is here then my answer will be automatically should be calculated, so no one need to be checked your quiz question. So what we'll do here, now will be click here, okay, will be click here, then here go to the settings, okay, settings, then click this, then make this quiz, okay. So after then click this is the immediately after each submission. That means after complete of the test, student directly view the summary of the exam or what are the questions you have written. These things it can be displayed, but I don't want this, okay. I want later student to tell what is your marks. So this will be selected. If you want to directly student see themselves, then you will write this, okay. Then if you give later, then these things cannot be seen by the students. So point value and correct answer, missed questions they can see because they know what are questions they have missed. So these things they can show, but correct answer, point value, they do not need to say, okay. So then what will do, this is the question, okay. Then in the presentation, show link submit another assessment, this should be removed, and show the progress bar and show the shuffle the question order, means your question whatever you have draw, this will be shuffle, means order will be different. So do not use this symbol, because if you write this, then your name and your roll number will be maybe display below of the question or middle of the question. So do not use these things, they only show progress bar only used, okay. Then confirmation, when they submitted the message, what should be displayed, it will display by default your response has been recorded. Also you can write also your response has been recorded, and suppose your test is be completed, anything you can write, or your exam has finished, these things you can write also, anything you can write. Then general works, collect email address, those are given your exam, then their address will be, email address will be collected, then restricted to the this, so you will be limit or uncheck this, and also what limit to one response, that means one time, only one time it will be give the exam, okay. So this will be, you will be what, make this settings, then you will be click the save, okay. After save this, you can find answer key will be automatically displayed, okay. When you click this quiz, you will make this on, then your answer key will be displayed. Suppose my answer is this one is correct, so what will do here, will be click on the answer, okay. Then this is my correct answer, it will automatically right will be, right symbol will be click, tick will be click, then click the done, okay. Then same thing, suppose int is the 4 bytes, so what will do here, now answer key will be click, okay. Then 4 will be click, then it will be selected. That means when user click the 4 or process language, this answer will be correct, okay. Then click the done, okay. Then okay, then if you want to give the required symbol, that means it will be not submitted until unless it answer is given by the student. So I do not use this because student may be not interested to give this exam. So here, but roll number name should be what, your this roll number and name should be must be entered by the student. So here what will do, so here what will do, you will be here enter, this should be required because users should be enter the role and your name, okay. So here we click the name, okay. Then click the then click the save button. Okay, then click the save button. This will be the, then click the save button. Then after then the settings. So okay, so then this is my personal email ID, so it will display this like this. So I'm to tell you here you will be click the preview. Okay, then in preview, suppose I have enter here, suppose name I have enter and roll number I have enter, suppose procedural language. Okay, then what is the size of int, suppose 4 I have submitted. Then after click the submit. Okay, then here you can find response is 1 is given and all these things are written. But here one thing, so how many questions are correct, it will not display here. Okay, so here one response is come, but score you can find 0. So what you'll do here will be change your course. Suppose here click the add answer. Okay, here I'll put a 1 point, that means one question for 1 mark. So here also answer 1, then I'll do 1, 2. Okay, then I'll click the done. Okay, then again I'll be give the exam. So before start the exam, limit to 1 will be on check, so that next time I'll also give the exam. Okay, so here again click the preview so that it will display. Then here I'll be enter the name, again I enter the suppose roll number. Okay, then here what is write procedural language. Okay, suppose here is the suppose 4, then submit it. Okay, then here you can find 2 responses are come and here you can find 2 of 2, both are same. Then this is also not released, score is not released, and this is also answer, it is also not 2, I have got the 2 answer are correct. Okay, so this type you can also do. If you want Excel sheet, then here you can down the create the spreadsheet Excel sheet, so it will display. Okay, this time this could be done, or this could be what will do, it will be after do this, then will be go to the send button. Okay, then after click the done this, then go to the send button, here click the link. Okay, and this is the very big link, so you will be click here shorten URL. So after getting shorten URL, okay, then you copy this URL and share to the among your students. So otherwise you can also send their roll number also here. Okay, then you can also send them. Okay, these things to do the how to create a Google form and send to your friends. Okay, then how is it like? Please like and comment on the video and share this among your friends so that they could be know how to use the Google form. Okay, bye, thank you.